Joe was upset.
Then they went and got nicked and spent the afternoon
Oh,
looking,
yeah,
sitting
yeah,
there.
right.
Of course, then it was that all
Philip, you better smile at Charlie.
Nick and I sitting there, oh,
You gotta talk normal, gotta talk normal, Ann.
Some things never change, Charlie.
Thank God, right?
Yeah, you better believe it. Oh my God, yes, Charlie. But I can't get over these kids.
Smile, Nick, smile. That's it.
Yeah, you're on the camera.
The
You know?
little sheriff.
Yeah, the little cherub.
The little horns are coming.
But isn't that beautiful?
curly teeth.
That's beautiful out there. Look at those kids.
Yeah, you can recognize the point.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yes. Oh yes. Yes.
You look at Charlie once in a while
That's all right.
and say
And that's all
hi.
right, Joe.
That's all right.
That's all right.
That's about you.
I don't
There's
have
a
to
bungalow. There's a bungalow. Who's all
That's
that?
very good.
That's Laura, I guess, isn't it?
I don't know.
Yeah, Edith.
Yes. That's Laura.
That was
But
too-
this must have been a couple of years ago. Look how little the boys
Now,
are.
the Egyptians would really say,
Look at the boys.
that stone work is a piece of art.
Yeah.
Come by a couple of flecks.
I don't know how that thing ever stayed up all those years.
Just with a little spit and glue, I guess.
I don't know how to.
That raft was something else, you know?
Oh yeah. Oh Charlie, everybody gets about
Did we
that.
enjoy that or what? That was the most beautiful thing.
That raft.
Yeah.
I have to tell them when I go home she's still
Wall was
floating.
put up.
Because they all asked me.
Not looking too good, but it's still floating.
None of you look so good.
That's when that was put up?
That's right, Joe.
Give or take, maybe,
But it was
maybe 59.
fun.
Really?
So much enjoy. What would we get more enjoyment out of that other than
See,
each
I-
other?
I tie all
That's
these,
right.
all these
And
things
the
take
boys were
place
right.
by
They
my
said it was
permit on my
unsinkable.
place. I took my permit out 1958.
Oh, okay, then you get.
I see, I can associate, the hell are we on? Oh, the wall.
Right.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
The Egyptian wall.
It had to have been even before I started my place. Because there was a big discussion about the wall and we sat on the sidelines. Mike was opinion and I had opinion. But I remember the figure. Joe had gotten a price from one of the pile drivers of wall builders for telephone poles for $900 to put that wall in.
900, that's it? Oh, boy.
And, well, that was a fantastic, that was monumental figure then.
Yes,
In
of
those
course.
days,
That's
yeah.
right, yeah.
What wall are we talking about?
The wall.
The wall
Oh,
in front of
George.
Oh,
Joe's
really? Yeah?
Hell in front of Noah's.
$900?
house. The Great Wall of China,
The
we
Great
saw
Wall
it.
of China.
It's still up.
Yes, it is.
Still up.
The railroad
Yeah.
ties,
Yeah.
the railroad ties, you know, will try into the bank. I don't, remember, you've seen the lights of the wall that,
Well, the bank held the mortgage on it.
Unless they have their parties, you know.
Oh, yeah,
They
they got
go
their
to-
association.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the only time.
Brown bear? What's the brown bear? Well, brown bear, he goes and does the
Right, right.
Oh,
Doesn't he have those gorgeous teeth? Look at the teeth on
goes
that
these
kid.
little brown
Missy,
boys.
you think? Oh, they're gorgeous.
Aren't they?
Yeah. Oh, boy, he does have gorgeous teeth. That's terrific. Just
Are
be
you
careful.
blushing?
No fighting.
He's blushing.
No fighting. Don't ever get a punch in the mouth. They're
Oh
too
gosh,
beautiful.
no, no beautiful.
You're a bird.
Good to have you aboard in, Ev.
Oh, God.
Good to have you back.
Oh, it's so good to be.
Charlie, you kissed. He was. You see how he was kissing Kathy?
No.
Look at that.
Arthur?
No, that's Charlie.
That's Charlie
That's
kissing.
Charlie. He was kissing her like she was kissing her.
Oh, wait.
That just, he's younger than.
Green light is on.
A couple of pounds less, too.
Kathy,
I see
let's
it.
go to sleep with that.
I see it's Charlie now. Yeah, I can see it.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. And that
The
crazy.
hair's a little darker, so.
Look at Kathy. Yeah, her laugh too.
She's upset.
Yeah.
Oh, your father had beautiful blonde hair as a kid growing up, right? Beautiful blonde hair.
Look at
Yeah,
that.
so did I. I
Who's
lost
that lady see that beach.
Yeah, it does.
Kids.
Everything.
Yeah, I'd rather see it like that than this one.
Yeah.
Empty.
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, this is going on.
Yeah.
Hey, maybe that's you that's way up there. See up there?
Up in the yard?
Can I see somebody in white there?
No, no.
I guess not.
No, there's Joe.